In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could fix it when your Amazon Fire TV stick is laggy or running slow. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and go over to your settings, and what you're going to want to do is just select this and then go into your account and profile settings right here. Open this up and you're going to see an option after, of course, I enter in this PIN that says sync Amazon content. Go ahead and do this because this will refresh your account data and sometimes help fix slow loading on the home screen. From here, back out and go back to your main settings page, and what you're going to want to do is go into your network settings. Once you get loaded into your network settings, highlight your network right here and hit the play or pause button to run a connection test. Just make sure download speed is close to what your internet plan provides. If the speeds do look off, turn off your TV, unplug the Fire Stick for about 30 to 60 seconds, and unplug your router for about 30 to 60 seconds. And then plug everything back in, and it's going to reset any temporary network issues. From here, return back to your main settings page and go into your application section right here. And you're going to want to turn off automatic offload to remove any unused apps when storage is low. Then from here, go ahead and go to manage installed applications, open it up, highlight any app, for example, Amazon Kids, and hit the little rewind button right here. And it'll go ahead and clear the cache on that app, which won't delete it, but it will free up some extra space, which really does help you out. If you're having any other issues, I would recommend doing a factory reset or updating your Fire TV stick. You could do this just by going to the main settings page again, going to My Fire TV, opening it up, and either hitting reset to factory defaults, or if you hit about, you can go ahead and check for updates as well. But that is how you can fix lag and slow performance here on an Amazon Fire TV stick. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.